So good morning students. So this class we are going to see about bioamplifiers. So last class we discussed what does mean by bioamplifiers and what are the types of bioamplifiers and why we go for bioamplifiers. That is, what is the need for bioamplifiers. So last class we discussed. So in this slide shows the low amplitude and low frequency signal to high amplitude signal, that is biosignal. So already I specified I have to convert the weak signal into strong signal. So this is the main objective of bioamplifier. That is need for bioamplifier. Need to boost the amplitude level. So the output ECG and EEG waveform. So this slide shows the requirements of a bioamplifier. So the voltage gain of the amplifier must be greater than 100 dB. So the gain and frequency response should be constant throughout the entire bandwidth. So the input impedance must be large and the output impedance must be small. The CMRR value must be greater than 80 dB. So what does mean by CMRR? It is common mode rejection ratio. That is ratio of average mode gain and differential mode gain. So first you have to find the average mode gain and then you have to find the differential mode gain. So then you have to take the ratio of the average mode gain and differential mode gain. So this is a formula for CMRR. So the next is types of bioamplifier. So here we have so many types of differential amplifier. That is biological amplifier. One is differential amplifier. Next one is operational amplifier. Next is instrumentation amplifier. Next is isolation amplifier. Next is chopper amplifier. In that chopper amplifier we have two types, mechanical chopper amplifier, non-mechanical chopper amplifier. So these are the types of bioamplifier. So in differential amplifier, so we have two input. So that will be given to the inverting and non-inverting input. So we can take the difference between the two voltages or two values. So that is the function of differential amplifier. Operational amplifier means, so IC741 is an operational amplifier. Any operation, arithmetic operation or multiplication operation, any operation can be done with the help of operational amplifier. Instrumentation amplifier. So what does mean by instrumentation amplifier? So in instrumentation amplifier, here we are using three differential amplifier. So the difference between the two input of first operational amplifier and the difference between the two input of second differential amplifier will be given to the input of the third differential amplifier. So the output of the third differential amplifier will be the output of the instrumentation amplifier. So the next is isolation amplifier. So what is meant by isolation amplifier? So we can isolate the part of the signal or frequency. So in recording problem or recording setup, it is called isolation amplifier. Chopper amplifier, we have two types of amplifier: mechanical chopper amplifier and non-mechanical chopper amplifier. So this slide shows the operational amplifier. So in that we have two input, one is inverting input, non-inverting input. So the difference between the two input will be the output. So this slide shows the differential amplifier. So here we are giving two input voltages V1 and V2. So that will be given to the inverting and non-inverting input of the differential amplifier or operational amplifier. So that will be given to the, we can take the output of V0. So in that only we have to calculate the differential mode gain and average mode gain, and you take the ratio of differential mode gain and average mode gain. We have to calculate the CMRR, that is common mode rejection ratio. So ideal operational amplifier. So these are the specification of ideal operational amplifier. So the characteristics: ideal op amp and practical op amp. So the voltage gain, what are the characteristics means: voltage gain, bandwidth, input resistance, output resistance, and CMRR. So in the case of voltage gain, in the case of ideal op amp, it will be infinity, and practical op amp 100 dB. For bandwidth, for ideal op amp infinity, for practical operational amplifier certain megahertz. Next characteristics is input impedance is infinity and few mega ohms for practical operation amplifier. So output resistance 0 and few ohms. CMRR will be infinity and 80 dB.